Have you ever wondered how much money is in Monzo's bank account? It's a question that many people have asked, but it's one that's difficult to answer definitively. In this video, we'll take a look at the available information and try to get a sense of how rich Monzo is. What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in 2015. It offers a range of financial products and services, including current accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is one of the most popular digital banks in the UK, with over 5 million customers. How does Monzo make money? Monzo makes money in a number of ways. One of the main ways is through interest on customer deposits. Monzo also charges fees for certain services, such as overdrafts and foreign exchange. How much money does Monzo have? Monzo is a private company, so it doesn't have to disclose its financial information to the public. However, we can get a sense of how much money Monzo has by looking at its balance sheet. Monzo's balance sheet shows that the company has total assets of £4.5 billion. This includes £2.7 billion in customer deposits. Monzo also has £1.8 billion in other assets, such as investments and property. It's important to note that Monzo's balance sheet doesn't tell us how much money the company is making. It simply tells us how much money the company has at a given point in time. How rich is Monzo? Based on the information available, it's difficult to say definitively how rich Monzo is. However, it's clear that the company is a very successful business. Monzo has raised over £1 billion in funding, and it has a large and growing customer base. Conclusion. In this video, we've taken a look at the available information and tried to get a sense of how rich Monzo is. We found that Monzo is a very successful company with a strong financial position. However, it's difficult to say definitively how much money the company is worth. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.